Hi there, a very exciting day. Today we are at the launch of VU's new cinema TV, and they've launched three models, the 43-inch 4K, the 50-inch 4K and the 55-inch 4K. Amazing devices, great sound. Let's check everything about them. Continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here are the three VU devices, live, hands-on experience. So this one is the 43-inch 4K running the Android TV 9, and the best part about these devices is that all of them have a brightness nits of 500. Wow, that is fantastic. So you're going to get great HD content to watch. Let's have a closer look at these devices. So this one is the 43-inch 4K, as I've said. This one right here is the 50-inch 4K, also running Android 9, and as you can see, it has beautiful design, thin bezels on all the sides and a beautiful stand as well. And this one right here is the mega one, the 55-inch cinema TV. So this one is running also the Android TV 9, and it has all the apps pre-installed like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Play Store, all the apps already baked in. And as you can see, it looks absolutely brilliant.
And here is the remote. It's a combination of infrared and Bluetooth. Right in the center is the Google Voice Assistant, so you can search using your voice. On the top are the hotkeys to quickly access your favorite apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Google Play and YouTube. Talking about the build, the VU TV has a 100% robotic assembly which ensures absolute precision and uniform brightness. The bezels on the sides are extremely thin, giving you that seamless edge-to-edge viewing experience. The stands have a silver coating and look really stylish. The back is made of good quality plastic. It has the regular ports like the optical audio, 3.5 headphone jack, 2 USB, 3 HDMIs and Ethernet. All the ports are on the left for easy access when the TV is wall mounted. The build quality and design is quite impressive. All three VU Cinema TVs come with 40-watt inbuilt soundbar that gives you a cinema sound experience along with Dolby support.
And now I'm going to give you the sound experience of the cinema TV. Check it out.
History is
Oh my God, did you see that? That was amazing. Now you have a cinema sound experience, visual experience on your VU TV right there at your home. Something to look out for. So as I was telling you that the VU TV has 500 nits of brightness, here we have two other devices, a Samsung and an LG, where you can check the nits of the brightness. So this is a machine which can actually tell us the exact amount of nits that the TV is emitting. So first we'll check the Samsung, we'll check the LG, and then we'll check the VU. So as you can see here, we are getting around 330 nits on Samsung. All right, let's move to LG. So right here on LG, we're getting just 122 nits. It's really low. And finally, let's check VU. And there it is for you to see. It's 550 nits plus. Amazing. And just for fun, let's see how much it is on the sides. Even till the sides, it is sustaining up to 460, 470 nits. That's absolutely brilliant. And let me tell you one thing, all the TVs have been set to standard setting. That means the backlight, the standard setting, the color setting on all devices are absolutely similar, but we have amazing results for the VU TV. So here's a hands-on of the 55-inch 4K VU TV, and here you can see that Netflix and Prime videos come pre-installed. That's great. Official Netflix and Amazon Prime have become like a mandatory for all these smart TVs. And you have Hotstar, YouTube, Google Play Store, and as you can see, the interface is really smooth. If we go into the settings, device preferences, and about, and here we can see it's running the Android 9 Pie. Wow, so you have the latest Android 9 running on these devices. Alright, let's have a closer look at a video file. And that looks absolutely brilliant.
And finally, the price. The 43-inch 4K Android TV with soundbar is priced at $26,999. The 50-inch 4K Android TV with soundbar is priced at $29,999. And the 55-inch 4K Android TV with soundbar is priced at just $33,999. You absolutely nailed the pricing. All these will be going on sale on 18 January on Amazon.in and all the Woo retail outlets as well.
So this was amazing, a lovely experience of the cinema TV. But there's lots more coming. There's going to be an unboxing, a review, a full hands-on experience with the VU TV coming soon. So make sure you like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.